Click Insert, Project, Add Folder. Click on the C drive and navigate to the GIS class folder wherever you placed it. Click the MGIS data folder to highlight it and choose OK. In the Catalog pane, expand the Folders entry to see the Crater Lake Project folder and the MGIS data folder. Collapse the other entries if desired. This MGIS data folder will be used many times. Right-click it and choose Add to Favorites to make it easily accessible in other projects from the Catalog Favorites tab. Expand the MGIS data folder to see subfolders of data organized geographically. Expand the Oregon folder and find the Oregon Data Geodatabase. Expand it to see its contents. Click and drag the Counties feature class on top of the Crater Lake map. Zoom in or out until several of the counties around Crater Lake appear in the map. In Contents, click the Counties layer to highlight it and use Feature Layer, Appearance, Drawing, Symbology to open the Symbology pane. Click the Symbol Representation to open the Format Polygon Symbol pane. In the Gallery tab, type Hollow in the search box and click Enter. Choose the Extent Hollow symbol. Switch to the Properties tab and set the outline color to hot pink. Click Apply. Zoom in and compare the county's boundary with the base map. In Contents, right-click the counties layer and choose Properties, or simply double-click Counties. Read the information in the Metadata section, and then close the Properties. Click Map, Layer, Add Data. Click the Folders entry to find the MGIS data folder. Navigate inside MGIS data to find the Oregon State Geology feature class. Select it and click OK to add it to the map. Compare this geology layer with the Crater Lake Geology group by zooming into Crater Lake and turning the geology layer off and on. Leave it off when done. In Contents, right-click the Counties layer and choose Zoom to Layer. Check the scale reading. In Contents, right-click the Geology layer and choose Remove. Also remove the Counties layer. Right-click the Crater Lake Geology layer and choose Zoom to Layer. Close the Crater Lake map and save the project. Choose Insert, Project, New Map. In Contents, find the map's icon and click the map title next to it twice, slowly, to enable editing. Type Oregon for the map name and click Enter. Use Map, Layer, Add Data, or the Catalog pane to add the county's feature class from MGIS data, Oregon data to the map. In Contents, click twice slowly on the county's layer name and change it to Counties. Use the Feature Layer Appearance ribbon or right-click the Counties layer to open the Symbology pane. Give the Counties layer a hollow symbol with a green outline color. In the Catalog pane, expand the Transportation folder in the Oregon Data Geodatabase. Click the Airports feature class, then hold down the Control key and click on the Highways feature class so that both are selected. Drag them into the map. Symbolize highways with a brown line, and airports with an airport symbol. Add the Parks feature class from the Oregon Data Geodatabase. Symbolize it with a light green fill and a dark green outline. Add the Hospitals feature class from the Oregon Data Geodatabase. Symbolize it using a thick cross symbol. With blue fill. And extra points, a gray outline. In the Catalog pane, switch from the Project tab to the Portal tab by clicking the Portal heading. Examine the 4 icons below the heading and hover over each one to view the titles: My Content, Groups, All Portal, Living Atlas. Click the All Portal icon and type Oregon in the search box. Click Enter. Notice the different icons representing different types of data services. Hover over an item to see a pop-up description. Note the data location entry in the description. This is the URL of the service providing. Edit the search term to Oregon Colleges and click Enter. Look for a web map icon, for example, Oregon Community Colleges. Maps cannot be dragged in, they must be opened. Right-click a map icon and choose Add and Open. A new map linked to the online data is added to the project. Choose Map, Navigate, Explore, topmost layer. Click on one of the map symbols. A pop-up opens with information about the feature clicked. In Contents, double-click the map icon to open the map properties. Click the Metadata section. Close the map properties. Right-click one of the web map layers and choose Copy. Switch to the Oregon map. Right-click the map icon at the top and choose Paste. In Contents, click the Counties layer to select it. Examine the feature layer labeling Label Class group. Note that the label field is currently set to Name. Click the label button next to it to make the labels appear. We'll learn more about setting other label options later. Turn off the labels by clicking the label button again. In Contents, click the Airports layer to select it. Turn its labels on.